Hello and welcome everyone. Now we will learn about what is lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing originated with the Toyota production system in Japan after the Second World War. And the main idea of this is to do things better by eliminating waste. So simply, it is a way or philosophy of doing things better. Now, when we look into the principles of the lean philosophy in manufacturing, there are mainly three principles. The first one is elimination of losses. This means the waste leading to poor performance levels. Losses associating with Muramura and Muri. Then the second one is total employee involvement. So, using various methods to keep the employees involved. Then the third one is continuous improvement. Continuous improvement means anything associating with the improvement of the current state. So like problem solving, maybe involving the Kaizen approach, then the Six Sigma DMake approach, then maybe the PDCA approach, then A3 problem solving, and likewise. Then comes change management and the other continuous improvement activities. So like adapting JIT, then building quality to the system, then implementing 5S, then TPM, then maybe work study methods, and likewise. Now, the main outcome of lean manufacturing is to achieve a high performance production setup with reduced process wastes, then less or no waiting, then with a highly engaged workforce, then with improved techniques, then with improved speeds and volume, then with continuous problem solving, then achieving reduced operating costs, then with improved plant safety, and likewise. Now, the production performance is evaluated involving the productivity, then maybe the utilization, then efficiency, and or the OEE. You will learn about all of these things very deeply if you will follow our Lean Black Belt program. Thank you very much for being with us, and we welcome you to stay with us until the end of this program.